If I could go back and talk to my 20-year-old self, I would not tell her to eat less. I would not tell her to obsess over the weighing scale. I would not tell her to do endless cardio. And definitely, I would not tell her that fitness is all about looking skinny. Because now at 40, I feel stronger, healthier, more confident, and more energetic than I ever felt in my 20s. And honestly, I wish someone had told me these fitness truths earlier. So if you are in your 20s or 30s or 40s, this video might genuinely change the way you look at fitness forever. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nitika Anand. I am a certified fitness trainer, a nutritionist and a runner, and someone who started learning many of these lessons only after 34. And today I am going to share the biggest fitness truths I wish I knew at 20. Not from textbooks but from real experiences. And ये सारे lessons हैं that actually improved my energy, my body composition, my confidence, my mindset and the overall quality of my life. So let's start with the first truth, and honestly, this one changed everything for me. So truth number 1 is stop chasing the weighing scale. In my 20s, मुझे लगता था कि जितना कम नंबर weighing scale पे आएगा, that fitter I was. And I know बहुत सारे लोग same चीज़ believe करते हैं. If the scale goes down, happy. If the scale goes up, panic. So here's what I wish I knew when I was in my 20s. कि weight loss और fat loss, they are not the same thing. You can lose muscle, water, energy and confidence and still lose weight. And you can gain muscles, become stronger, healthier, fitter and leaner, and the scale may not move much. So today I care more about strength, stamina, energy, confidence, mobility and moreover how I feel. Because fitness is not about becoming smaller. Fitness is about becoming stronger. And trust me, that mindset shift changes everything. Truth number 2, strength training is a superpower for women. So in my 20s, मुझे लगता था कि lifting weights can make women bulky. So this is the biggest myth ever. Now I genuinely believe that strength training is a superpower for women. It is one of the best things a woman can do for herself. And no, it's not just about aesthetics. It's not about कि आप 3 months की strength training के बाद कैसे दिखोगे. That is a byproduct. But moreover, it's for the bone health, muscle mass, metabolism, posture, confidence, independence, and सबसे important, healthy aging. And especially after the age of 30, women naturally start losing the muscle mass. और उस टाइम पे strength training becomes a very important part of a woman's life. And I wish किसी ने मुझे 20s में बताया होता that building muscle is not masculine. It's protective. It protects your metabolism, your joints, your future and the quality of your life. And no, weightlifting करके या strength training करके you will not become bulky. Most women actually become stronger, fitter, leaner and more toned. Truth number 3, extreme dieting never works long term. I wish I knew starving yourself is not discipline, it's punishment. So 20s में जब मुझे weight lose करना था, मुझे लगता था fitness का मतलब बस यही होता है, कम से कम खाना, मील्स स्किप कर देना, क्रैश डाइटिंग करना, या तो सिर्फ सैलेड्स खाना या सिर्फ फ्रूट्स खाना, बिल्कुल कार्ब्स को कट कर देना and saying no to everything. But eventually I realized you cannot hate yourself into becoming healthy. The best nutrition plan is one which has no expiration date, a plan which you can sustain for life. And this is what I tell to my clients also when I give them their customized nutrition plan, that this is something which is not a 30-day plan, but something which you have to follow lifelong. So now I focus more on protein, fiber, healthy fats, good carbs, balanced meals, consistency, not perfection. And honestly, life became so much easier because fitness should support your life, not control it. Truth number 4, cardio is amazing बट नॉट एवरीथिंग। इन माई 20s मुझे लगता था कि जितना ज़्यादा स्वेट होगा, जितना एग्जॉस्टेड मैं फील करूँगी, द बेटर इज़ माई वर्कआउट। सो लाइक मैनी पीपल मुझे भी लगता था कि कार्डियो इज़ द ओनली आंसर टू माई फिटनेस। Now, don't get me wrong here because I myself is a runner. Cardio is important. Cardio helps to improve your heart health, your endurance, your stamina and your mental health. But सिर्फ कार्डियो करना, स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग को इग्नोर करके इज़ वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक्स दैट वुमेन मेक। बिकॉज जब आप स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग करते हो, इट शेप्स योर बॉडी, इट प्रिजर्व्स योर मसल। और मसल एक लॉन्जेविटी ऑर्गन है। इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म हेल्थ, फॉर फैट लॉस and for healthy aging. Truth number 5, you don't need to be perfect to see results. This one I really wish I understood earlier. क्योंकि मुझे यही लगता था कि जो करना है परफेक्टली करो, अच्छे से करो, वरना कोई पॉइंट नहीं है उसका करने का। सो आई यूज टू फॉलो ऑल और नथिंग माइंड सेट, एंड आई थिंक यही वो हैबिट है विच मेक्स मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल क्विट। बिकॉज अगर आप रियल लाइफ को देखो, ऑब्वियसली रियल लाइफ बहुत मेसी है। कुछ डेज़ होंगे जब आप वर्कआउट्स मिस करोगे, कुछ डेज़ होंगे जब आपका न्यूट्रिशन 100% नहीं होगा, कुछ डेज़ होंगे जब मोटिवेशन बिल्कुल डिसअपियर हो जाएगा, एंड दैट्स वेरी नॉर्मल। बिकॉज फिटनेस इज़ नॉट अ 10-day और अ 30-day चैलेंज. It's not built in 1 week, but it's built with the consistent efforts which we do over months and over years. So now I focus on being consistent, not perfect. And honestly, this mindset has helped me to stay fit for much longer. Truth number 6, sleep changes everything. In my 20s, sleep felt optional. Late nights, random schedules, less recovery. But अब जाके realize हो रहा है that sleep affects everything. It affects your hunger, cravings, energy, recovery, your hormones, stress, your mood, and your workout performance. You cannot recover properly if you are constantly sleep deprived. Now I genuinely prioritize sleep, and the difference in my energy, in my workout performance, and in my recovery is unbelievable. Truth number 7, फिटनेस इज़ ऑल्सो अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ। अब इस चीज़ के बारे में बहुत लोग ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते कि फिटनेस सिर्फ आपकी बॉडी को ट्रांसफॉर्म नहीं करता, इट एक्चुअली ट्रांसफॉर्म्स योर माइंड। मूवमेंट हेल्प्स विद स्ट्रेस, एंग्जाइटी, कॉन्फिडेंस, मूड एंड इमोशनल स्ट्रेंथ। सो अब कभी कभी मेरे वर्कआउट्स आर नॉट जस्ट टू बिल्ड मसल्स और टू बर्न कैलोरीज, दे आर एक्चुअली अ थेरेपी। एंड ऑनेस्टली आई विश ये मैंने पहले समझ लिया होता कि फिटनेस इज अबाउट सेल्फ केयर, इट्स नॉट सेल्फ पनिशमेंट। ट्रुथ नंबर 8, योर बॉडी इज नॉट योर एनिमी। 20s में मुझे लगता है वी स्पेंड सो मच टाइम क्रिटिसाइजिंग आवर बॉडीज। ओ मैं कितनी मोटी हूँ, ओ मैं कितनी स्किनी हूँ, आई एम नॉट टोन्ड इनफ, आई एम नॉट परफेक्ट इनफ। बट नाउ आई लुक एट फिटनेस डिफरेंटली. Your body is carrying you every single day. So it requires better care, not hate. And strangely, when you start respecting your body, you start taking better care of it. And the last truth, truth number 9, start before you feel ready. बहुत सारे लोग फिटनेस को डिले करते रहते हैं, ये सोच के कि वो किसी मंडे को स्टार्ट करेंगे या फिर न्यू ईयर पे स्टार्ट करेंगे, या फिर उनको पहले मोटिवेशन चाहिए, या फिर उनको एक परफेक्ट प्लान चाहिए, और दे नीड कॉन्फिडेंस। बट कॉन्फिडेंस तभी आता है जब आप स्टार्ट करते हो, स्टार्ट करने से पहले नहीं आता। यू डोंट नीड टू बी फिट टू बिगिन. So when you begin, then only fitness changes you. And honestly, I started learning all of these things only after 34. So if you feel you are late, you are not late. Today at 40, I don't work out to punish myself. I train because I love feeling strong. I eat healthy because I love feeling energetic. I move because I want a better quality of life. And genuinely, I feel stronger, fitter and mentally healthier than I did years ago. So if you're watching this video in your 20s, please don't waste your years hating your body. Build strength, build habits, build confidence, build health. And if you're watching this video in your 30s or 40s, trust me, it's not too late. I would like to know what's one fitness lesson that you have learned with age. Write it in the comments below. And if this video has helped you even a little, send it to someone who actually needs to hear this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.